World Monetary News. An ever-largest mistake of macroeconomics was discovered. Here we announce that an ever-largest mistake of macroeconomics was discovered. It began from an estimation by using an Excel sheet. And all things started from this estimation. Its impacts are very large, and it can be called the largest on our human's economical history. But the impacts are all good impact. This is an incident, and this easy mistake can be understood by ordinary people. You also can understand this easy mistake and its large impacts. We have discovered certain hypotheses related to economics, and which might bring happiness to many people beyond next some hundreds of years, and which might have a very big good impact on the realization of the stable economy society. And this has a major impact on many fields such as investment decisions of each investor, and also lending policy of banks, operations of central banks, price changes, interest rate trends, people's lives, business cycle, and so on. And this mistake can be recognized also by the ordinary people of general society by receiving a brief description if he has a high thinking skill, even if he is not an expert of economics. Moreover, we have hard evidence of an Excel sheet. It is possible for ordinary working people in general to test all these at their own. By the hard evidence of an Excel sheet, if he has the high thinking skills which can recognize the error of traditional opinion, we believe in that there are a lot of excellent persons among our readers who chose it to this. If you can understand and have a good will, we appreciate and thank you for your cooperation to explain this to other people. It was found that money multiplier until now was a mistake, and correct money multiplier is discovered. This alone will be one of the small headlines of newspaper. There has been a lot of criticism to Friedman's money multiplier until now from the previous saying, such as that it indicates no more than simply a proportional relationship. The next formula is complete mistake, and the correct formula was discovered, and it affected quite many aspects largely. The definition of money supply, like M2 and monetary policy, also will change largely. We provide an opportunity to consider a new theory before the people and the experts from this point of view. Some broad-ranging and active discussions are held as for which theory is the most probable, and the truth become clear by them, and it is expected to contribute to the happiness and the progress of mankind. The explanation of today ends at here, because it is better for you to download the estimation of Excel sheet from next URL and examine it by yourself. The hard evidence of Excel sheet simulation is downloadable from the page at the following URL. There are 3 versions of Japanese version, English version, and Chinese version. Download URL http monetary.freeforums.org. We should find happiness in the future. Do not look at the mistake of the past.